In this video, I will show you how to delete all of your comments on Instagram at once. So Instagram does not provide one single button to delete all of your comment at once, but you can delete them in bulk. To do that, simply open up Instagram, then click on your profile in the bottom right corner. From here, click on this 3 lines menu bar in the top right. Then click on your activity. Here choose comments. Now it will show all of your comment history. You can simply click on select return in the top right corner. From here choose the comments that you want to delete. After that simply click on delete and then confirm it. If you have large history of comments, it will take some time to select all of those, then simply click on delete and then those will be deleted. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and thank you for watching.